What is up, guys? Bryce Houston back at it again. Finally figured out the final piece of the puzzle, what I've been missing this whole time. So I'm gonna kind of delve in a little bit more to that here. Boom. So this actually took a while to figure out, and there wasn't much help besides ChatGPT. Thank the good Lord. So the final step was, once we collected the information, saved it to a Google Sheets, then send it to our email. But I couldn't figure out how to get it to send from here to my email. So what I did figure out, though, is in Google Sheets, there's actually a extension. Click on App Scripts. After playing back and forth for a few hours, this is the code that will collect the data and send it to the required email. So let's actually just give this a test. So right here, we're just gonna run this. Okay, so welcome to the Gene Hoffman Realty. How may I assist you? Property inquiries. Looking to buy a house in Upper Mission. 1 to 2 million, which isn't even that much anymore. The next couple months. All right, what is your full name? Bryce Houston. What is your email? brycehouston.ai@gmail.com. And where's my phone number? Okay, so this should save this to a Google Sheets right there. And then I just got a text message. So beautiful. So you can see that just came in with all those details that I just inputted there. So that's the final step. That's what I've been trying to do this whole time. So I was pretty happy with myself being able to figure out that. So yeah, I'll leave the code for this. You can download it from my website here. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, if you're interested how to create this bot, that's in another video here. I'll leave a link somewhere up in here, and show you how to set that up, integrate it with webhooks, save it to a Google Sheet, and then send it to your email. And then obviously I tried to customize it. Sure enough, I tried to customize it and make it look a little bit more visually appealing, and then I somehow screwed it up. And it's like, you know when it's fixed, or if it's not broken, don't fix it. And yeah, sure enough, I couldn't get it to work, and I was like, crap. So I just did it under another email and stuff. So I had to reset up all this stuff, which was kind of annoying. But all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was just a quick one. Please follow, like, and subscribe. I can give these out for free. So just just give a like, support. It really helps. I'm going to try to continue to come out with free templates, free examples. People trying to charge. OpenAI puts their open source out for free, and then people take it and try to charge money for it. I scour the internet trying to find free products and stuff, because everything that I've done along this way, all the editing stuff, sound effects, anything, has all been free. I haven't paid a dime besides my time, which is priceless. Okay, guys, I got a cool new AI tool that I've been waiting to show you guys, so I will make a video on that next. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and the rest will come when the time is right. All right, thanks, guys.